Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you why I think Disney is a strong buy. So let's get started. Now, everyone knows Disney. Disney's a great company to get involved with. I watch Disney movies with my kids. I've taken them to Disneyland, Disney World. Disney is just getting into a lot of different things, even television now. Even Star Wars, all those, they bought Star Wars, so it's a good company to get involved with. They're very diversified. As you can see, they're up 84% in 5 years, guys. That's amazing. It's good growth. They're only up about 5% for the year, but with a lot of opportunities to buy and average down your positions if you bought up at a higher mark. So it's very volatile. It's an entertainment company, for all of you that don't know. Their main 4 business segments would be media network, parks and resorts, studio entertainment, and consumer products and interactive media. Now, this company is an older company. It's been around since 1923, headquartered in Burbank, California. Their market cap's at $168 billion, guys. So they have a huge market cap. Price earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is at a 15, and they have a dividend yield of 1.58%. So that's pretty good, with an average volume of about 8 million shares traded. So they're 9% higher right now, which is good. You want to see companies that are a little bit higher when it comes to their average price. 48% of 25 rating is saying that it is a buy. They're also saying 48% is a hold. Now that's strong. It's a good company to get involved with. Actual earnings won't be available till August 7th, and they don't have anything for the estimated earnings. But last quarter, they had a pretty good quarter. They did exceed their expectation, and their estimated, it looks like around $1.88 per share. So this company is a very good company to get into. I like to use the street to show the other different types of analysts and what they think. Their target price right now is at $131, which is great, guys, because right now it's only at $113. So there's still a lot of room for improvement, a lot of room for growth. Some of the highlights here is that they have outpaced slightly the industry's average in revenue growth by 9.1% over last year's quarter. They also have 48.22% is their gross profit margin. So they're making a lot of profits off of what they're doing. Along with net profit margin of, they just exceeded their gross profit margin, and then their net operating cash flow has increased to it looks like about $4,526 million, or 31% compared to the same quarter last year. Now, this is a strong company to get involved with. They also have a low debt to equity ratio of 0.55, which means it's super low. They could successfully manage their debt levels, and it'd be a good company to get involved with. They're not overburdened with a lot of debt. Now, Disney is down here on this little bracket on the low end, but that's okay. I mean, Disney's a great company to get involved with. They're making $11 million in net income, $56 million in net sales. They have a growth rate of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Total return is 3 out of 5 stars. Efficiency is 5 out of 5 stars. Price volatility is 4 out of 5 stars. Solvency is 5 out of 5 stars. And income, guys, is 3.5 out of 5 stars. They do pay a nice dividend, higher than 60% of other companies that the street tracks. Definitely a strong company to get involved with. If you guys want to learn more about it, just let me know. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. And please, guys, smash that like button. It makes me feel better and makes me know that there are people out there that like my videos. I did this video because a subscriber asked me to do it. So again, if you have any videos or stocks that you want me to do or look at and evaluate, I can do that. Just simply leave me a comment below and I will. I enjoy doing these videos, and I enjoy you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching them. So I'm going to leave it with that today. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, say I'm doing good or I'm not doing good, whatever the case. But just know to do those things. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by next summertime. I'm hoping that's a very smart, realistic goal to achieve. Right now I'm at 132 subscribers. So, I mean, every little bit helps, guys. I really appreciate you. And have a great day.